So hello, my name is Mr. DeSico and I've created a wave machine using some simple materials. I want you to take a look at it. So what I've done was I've made a piece of duct tape about 16 feet long, and I'm using barbecue skewers and gumdrops. I've placed the barbecue skewers in the center of the duct tape. So I kind of measured, made sure that they were kind of evenly lined up, and even still you can see it's still slanted towards the top a little bit differently. Used gumdrops on each end and alternated the skewers, so the pointy side would be on the left and then the pointy side would be on the right, to try to keep it as evenly balanced as possible. How this works is pretty simple. You apply a twist on the side over here and it will transmit a pulse wave through the whole system. You'll see it bounce back and return, and it really shows some pretty nice harmonics here. So I thought this is really easy and simple. I'd like to share this with you. Kids are fascinated by it and have been kind of playing with it all day long, and it demonstrates some really great properties of waves. So I want to show you this. Enjoy.